Welcome friends, today we will see about arrays in Java. The first question we want to see is, we want to create an array and the array contains first or last element is 6. Means it returns true, otherwise it returns false. The code for the question is here. So n is the size of array, so I create a S array. S is the array name, and using for loop I get input from the user. Then using if else condition, if s of 0 is the starting value, s of n minus 1 is the ending value. If any one of the value is 6 means it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Now I run this code. I gives number of elements is 2, 1 and 6 and 1, sorry. It returns true because the first value is 6. Again I run this code, 2 only I giving 1 and 6 I give. It also returns true because it contains the last element is 6. Again I give 2 and 1 and 2. It returns false because it doesn't contains the 6 value in first and last. The second question we want to see is, we want to create two array. The two array have the same starting element or ending element. Means it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Here the first element is array A is, n is the size of array A, and we create a array. Using for loop we get the value from the user, and m is the size of array B. Then in B of new int we create a array called B. Using for loop we get user from the user, and using the condition if f of n minus 1 double equal to the last value equal or the first elements are equal means returns true, otherwise it returns false. Now I run this code, means it asks size of array 1 and 2, and I give surname 2, 4 and 2. It returns true. Again run this code, means 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 4. It also returns true. Again I run this code, 2, 1, 2, again 2, 3, 4. It returns false because the both value doesn't equal. The third question we want to see is, we want to create total 3 array. First array is length is 3, second array also 3, and the third array have length 2. We want to take the middle value and fix it in the third array. So the code for the question is here. M is the size of array A. Create an array called A. Using for loop I get the value from the user. N is the array of size of array of B. Creating B array. Using for loop I get the value from the user. If m are using the condition, if both are odd means we will easily calculate the value. If C of 0 is m by 2, m by 2 is, I explain it in using output. Else if first I get the output for this. If both are odd means what will it return? I give 3, 1, 2, 3. Again I give 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 2 by 5. Because why I give 3? 3 by 2 is 1. 1.5. Returns the int value only, so it's 1. So C of 0, the in array 0, 1, 2, so 1 is the middle value. So C of 0 is A of 1. A of 1 is, what is A of 1? 2 is A of 1, and B of 1 is 5. It's a value. Now I give the output for this. If M is A is odd, B is even, what will it return? A is odd and B is even. What will it return? It returns size of B is even, so it doesn't have middle value. Now I for this A is even, size of A is even, size of B is odd, what will it return? I give 2, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. The size of A is even, so it does not have any middle value. Finally, for L spot, we will give both as even number. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So the size of array A and B is even, so it does not have middle value. So the final question is, develop a Java program to construct two matrices by user input, perform matrix addition and subtraction. So code is here. It's 2 dimension array. So we want to get 2 input from user for n is as row and m for column. For array A, I give n as row and m as column. Using for loop, I get the value from the user, and B array, I get P as a row and Q as column. If both rows and columns are equal, means get the value of B using the for loop, and I create a C for addition, C 2 dimension array for storing the addition values. Using the for loop, I here C of T is a row, R is column, so C is A plus B only, and D is A minus B. Else, if both have different row and column, means these two matrices are different in dimension, so we cannot be able to add or subtract. Now I run this code. I give 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Use 2, 2. I change it 4. This is for else. These two matrices are different in size because that A is 2 cross 2, it's 2 cross 4, so it does not add. Again I run this code for if statement. 2, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again I give 2 cross 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It returns a value 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 9, 11, 12 is the addition value. 5, 5, 5, 5 is the subtraction of matrix A and B. Thanks for watching.